Hello everyone, this is my final video demo for UCOP 2016. I've been working on enabling OAuth2 provider features for ReviewBoard. For the last couple weeks, I was working on supporting dynamic scoping for OAuth2 features. A little bit background here, I've been using Django OAuth Toolkit for my project intensively, and the toolkit only supports static scopes. This is a big issue since ReviewBoard has a concept of extension which can be added during running time, and we also want to have any extension get authentication to OAuth2 as well. So I started investigate the OAuth2 toolkit internal, and I figured out as the diagram you see here that when the OAuth2 toolkit try to get a list of scope, it will first look into the cache. If the cache is available, it will return the scope right away. However, if the cache is not available, then it will look into the static scope that declare in setting.py, which is declared during development time. In order to handle this issue, I have to do two major changes to the way the toolkit works. The first change is instead of declaring a static list of scope, I recompute the list of scope every time the list of scope is needed. Then I rely on something called monkey patching to so that when the OAuth toolkit try to store the value in the cache, I just block that and skip out the storage, just return the value right away. So now you're looking at the code chain that I need to make to enable the dynamic scope. So as you can see here, I'm getting the setter and getter up of two provider setting, which is the cache that I was talking about. Then as you see in the new setter I create, that anytime the the toolkit try to store the value related to the scope, I basically just return right away without storing into the cache. And then for the getters, whenever it try to get any value related to the scope, I recompute the list of scope again. Otherwise, I just gonna do as it's supposed to do. Then this is the monkey patching part that I actually assign the new getter and setter to the true getter and setter of our two provider settings. That should conclude my final video demo here. Since most of the features already done, and these are important improvements, so I won't demonstrate the features again. You can look it up on my previous video demo. Thank you for watching.